Hello everyone, and for today's vlog, we are going to harvest a Camias. Because we're making a Camias into a vinegar. To know how to make Camias into vinegar, please keep on watching so that you will know and learn how to make it. So we're gonna clean it with water so that we can make it clean. Don't forget to subscribe. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that I'm going to squeeze this one so that the juices will be extracted from the fruit. Okay, so just watch it and so that you can learn how to make a vinegar out of Camias. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Anyway guys, if you have a squeezing tool, it would be easy and faster for you to extract the juice of the Camias. So better have it. Thank you. From this volume of Camias, guys, I got around 2 liters of vinegar from it, and that's very good.